Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Car Inspiration. Now it's a beautiful Sunday morning, and I'm gonna go with Miguel, one of my good friends. He just got a Boxster. Yes, I'm not joking. The Supra is gone, and now he has a Boxster S to be exact. We both decided to take it up into the mountain run, and we're gonna do a mini loop just to get back to Carrera Cafe. Now, the reason for this is because we want to see. He wants to see and test out the car in the twisties. Now I feel like it's gonna be super fun. I'm gonna bring the Miata with me, and I have a surprise for you guys. Now I'm gonna be using this as my camera mount. I'm gonna do a POV drive. Super excited for this because it's basically gonna be my first POV drive for a video, and it's super exciting. Looks so good. But I'm still waiting for the camera mounts to be delivered because I can't keep wearing this every time I want to do a POV drive. But so far, this will suffice for now. It's more of a narrow, twisty road rather than the big wide ones. This one is really good, more technical. I super enjoy that little narrow mountain pass, and it's super amazing. I can't wait to show you guys through the POV footage. Okay, so the camera's mounted, but my problem is the GoPro latch broke. But you know, this one's pretty old already, so I'll give it that. I'm sure it'll stick on still. And yeah, quick update on the Miata. We got a new key case. I love it so much. It looks so good. These small things really make me happy with these. Here he is. What's up, Migs? Morning, morning. Someone woke up early, yeah? Look at that rear. Wow. Since Miguel is here, let's warm up the Miata before we leave. Huh? Give it to me, give it to me. Lovely. Okay, great. So we're officially heading out now. Hi guys, so right now we did a stopover because I had to use the restroom. Jamal had to gas up the Porsche. You know, we haven't even arrived yet, and my car's already getting so dirty. So yeah, I'll show you guys the snippet now of the POV with the helmet. I hope you guys enjoy. There's a little bit of spirited driving. Okay, so we finally arrived at the viewpoint and look at that view. Isn't that beautiful? Check that out, the Porsche BOXSTER. Then we got the Miata together. Just two sports cars that are so baggy to each other. Oh, Migs, how did it feel?
The 718 body gets so much hate, so we actually got to try it out today, and
Feels good, right?
it feels good.
Oh my God.
Surprisingly, it feels like a real Porsche.
Yeah. You know, it's so nice that there's a mid-engine platform and it's so balanced. And it's crazy, you know, he was behind me the whole time and he was doing so well in his first toge run. Wow, what an incredible car. Big props, Porsche.
Too bad I didn't get a POV for mine. I'll bring my GoPro.
Next time, bring your GoPro.
Yeah, next time.
That's important.
Yes, sir.
And of course, the lovely Miata. You should bring yours next time. You're gonna love it. Yeah, my God, it just handles so well. Thank you, SRS DJ. It feels so good on the road.
Hey DJ, you gotta
DJ.
Gang Hero and DJ.
DJ, this one's next.
This one's next.
So quick description about this Porsche. This is a full tech art body kit. Did Import Hookup do this? Do you remember?
No, not. I think Emperor Motorworks or A and
Emperor
I.
Motorsport.
Or A and I.
A and I. Okay.
Yeah, something like that.
So yeah, this is basically full tech art, and it even has an IPE Valvetronic exhaust. It sounds amazing, and I don't know if you guys heard it already.
Should I give it a few?
Yeah, give it a few revs. Give it a few revs. Hold up. Let's check this out. All right, Megs, when you're ready. Oh yeah! What a great way to end the weekend. Beautiful toge run with these cars. So there it is, guys. That concludes the vlog for today, for this Sunday, for the upcoming Sunday. And I hope you guys have a great weekend ahead of you. And welcome back to Carspiration. I'll see you in the next video.